Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Pixel 7 is unlocked, fully updated, and you have the carrier's QR code or activation details. Open Settings and go to Network and Internet. Once there, choose SIMs and Network Settings. Tap Add Carrier and select Download a SIM instead. You're starting the eSIM install now, so keep your carrier info visible and stay on Wi-Fi. This avoids interruptions and lets your phone fetch the eSIM profile securely. Once done scanning or entering activation details, your Pixel will download the eSIM profile. Make sure you stay on the eSIM setup screen until it finishes. After the profile appears, tap the new carrier and assign it as a primary or secondary line depending on usage. Then configure rules for calls, texts, and mobile data. Set which line is default for data and which handles calls. This step ensures proper routing and prevents accidental roaming or data charges. To finish, restart your Pixel 7 and check for the carrier name, signal bars, and data connectivity. Make a test call or browse a web page. If you keep a physical SIM, choose which line handles data and voice to avoid conflicts. If activation stalls, try toggling airplane mode, rescanning the QR, or deleting and re-adding the eSIM profile. If that still fails, contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning on their end needs a manual trigger before the eSIM becomes active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.